Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the Lux Angel Eyes, which are LED replacements for the E93 series. The Lux Angel Eyes come in two main models. One is for the E90 and E91, which are the sedan and saloon models of the 3 Series, and the other is for the E92 and E93, which are the coupe and cabriolet models of the 3 Series. When shopping for the product, make sure you buy the right one for your vehicle, since the installation and product itself is very different for each. When shopping for the aftermarket LEDs, I noticed options for as little as $32, while the Lux Angel Eyes cost almost $200. The reason for this price difference is because the resistor pack and heat sink on the LEDs made by Lux allow them to last much longer. The heat sink allows for better heat dissipation than other brands, and the resistor pack allows the lights to work at stock settings without breaking for a long period of time. This matches up with online reviews and people saying that the LEDs have lasted since they first got them years ago. The same cannot be said for other cheaper options which regularly fail due to overheating and not having the correct voltage and current. When unboxing these LEDs, it becomes apparent why they are so expensive. The resistor packs are clearly well built, and the LEDs themselves are very well built, well insulated, and the heat sinks on the back feel very solid. Installation of the LEDs was relatively simple. For the E92 and E93, the procedure is very different from the E90 and E91, so make sure you're following the right procedure. For the E92 and E93, all you have to do is remove a little cap at the top of the headlight assembly and put the LED in. This can be hard for people with big hands such as myself, although it really wasn't that bad. What I recommend you do for the E92 and E93 is first insert the heatsink in the back and then move the LED into the socket and push forward and twist. This will ensure that you get it locked and it doesn't come out of place while driving. For the E90 and E91, the procedure is very different. You actually have to approach the headlights from behind the wheel, and so it's a little more of an involved task, although it's not that hard all the same. After installing the LEDs, I noticed an immediate difference. The light was much wider and much brighter than the stock halogen bulbs. It looks so much better and has completely transformed the look of my car, from looking truly 12 years old to almost looking like a modern car. I would definitely recommend this product to anyone looking to modernize the look of their car or to replace the stock halogen bulbs. Before you go, I want to make one quick note about the use of these lights that will help you avoid any issues with them. It's very popular to change the brightness of the Angel Eyes using the Carly for BMW app. I would not recommend doing anything but the stock settings when using aftermarket Lux Angel Eyes. The reason for this is the added heat on the LEDs may cause them to burn out. After doing some research on forums and directly reaching out to representatives at Lux, I discovered that failure rates were much higher when the brightness was turned higher than the stock settings. So guys, that's my review of the Lux H8 Angel Eyes. I think they're great bulbs to really improve the look of your car. If you haven't already, please leave a like and comment below and subscribe to see my future videos. Thanks so much for watching.